Welcome to my little project here for the ScholarJet Rapid7 Challenge. What I have created is a text emailer. So essentially what you can do is you can text a number and that will send information to a server. In this case, it's just another email, a Gmail address. It'll do some processing on that data and then send it to the actual email that you mean to send it to. So what I'm going to do here is text the email that I have set up with the Gmail API that can receive emails and send emails out. Also, I'm going to start running the script. It's just one JS file that runs on a loop. And the first thing we want to do when we want to send a new email is pick what email address we want to send to and tell the server that. So the email will receive this email address, parse it and say, oh, this is an email address. The user must be wanting to send an email to this email address. So let's just wait for a response from the server. As you can see here, the server read that the data was just a Gmail address or any email address, and it says now that's subscribing to that email address. And as you can see here, we also got feedback in the UI saying, hey, you're now going to be sending emails to mattbomb50@gmail.com. So now we can send our email. So we'll say text, email, subject, then this is an email from SMS. Can you believe it? So then now the server is going to read in this and send this subject and this email content to mattbomb50. And in the meantime, usually what you'd see if you texted someone an email is you would see this number with the carrier information, and then also the information will be in a text file. And this is just miserable to look at and to communicate between. So as you can see from this email that just came in, you have a subject. It's from an actual email address that you usually expect from that person, and then also the content is not in a text file. Obviously there's a ton of stuff you can add on top of this, like receiving emails in the reverse way, where you go from email to text and format it nicely, and then also adding some sort of authentication service to add new emails and phone numbers to be sent through this service. For now, this service just works for my email and my phone number because you have to go through the Google authentication to do it. But I think it's a good proof of concept, and it's something I'll probably be adding a few more things to and actually use in the future, because I personally find iMessage how I interact with most people anyway, and for the most part I feel like Outlook nowadays is treated like SMS, so might as well just conform the two UIs together. I'll also include the GitHub link and then also a description of what I just showed you also in the folder, so feel free to check those out.